What's up everybody, this is T1 and in this video we're going to see how to make a community on Microsoft Teams. I already made two videos about how to download Microsoft Teams and how to install Microsoft Teams. This is also the aftermath if you want to dig deeper into the Microsoft Teams. And yeah, let's get into it. So first, I just made here a community called First Community, just an explanatory sample. And we are going to see how to make it just like that, just to get started. And yeah, let's get into it. So maybe the UI doesn't look like this when you first create an account here, and I just made it on the browser. So make sure you for the purpose of this video, I just made it on the browser. You can also make it on the app, the desktop app, Microsoft Teams. And yeah, before that, make sure you have an Microsoft account logged in. And yeah, so basically we are going to start with that. Anyways, so I'm going to delete community here to just show you how to do it. Delete permanently. Okay, here we go. So this is what you're gonna see in the first UI. Don't get confused by it. So like it's are you creating it for school, for business, for sports, for professional? To be honest, I don't care about these options. If you want more control and personalization over your community, click here, create my own. So yeah, here you just name your community just like we did before. First Community, for example, and description, you can do whatever you want here. For me, I'm gonna just do a simple community. And here you see this community guidelines. So there's community guidelines you have to follow, maybe the Microsoft Teams community guidelines, but you can add your own. As I can see, you can write your own rules for the community. Yeah, so yeah, you have multiple rules you have to follow. They have to follow, I mean the members you are going to invite, and you are probably the team leader of the owner of this community. Anyways, so this one is require approval to join. Community owners must approve new members before they can join. You can check this if you want not everybody who gets the link or whatever to join. So you have to get the approval. They have to get the approval, yeah. And this last one is public. If you want to make this community public, if you want like greater number of people to join, I think you should make it public. And what if you want to keep it private? Don't click here. And yeah, the final thing to do is to click the button create. And yeah, here it is. You just created the first community, your first community, and you can invite members from this button. I'm not sure if you can see it because there is my face here. And yeah, there's a share join link, just like I said. They don't need to have an email to join. Anyways, they need a Microsoft account, so keep that in mind. And that's pretty much it for the basics of this making a community. If you want to dig deeper, please tell me in the comment section, and like this video if you think that was helpful, and also subscribe if you are commenting and wanna dig deeper into this and want similar videos like this to explain software, computer software generally. And yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day, and goodbye.